friends, how are you guys doing all? I hope you all are doing fine and good. So friends, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to go like, subscribe and share this video to all your lovely teachers and friends. So come on, let's get into the video. So friends, as you all know, today is a very special occasion for all of us, not only teachers but all of us. And you know right, today is September 5, means it is celebrated as Teacher Day every year in India. So guys, in the lockdown nobody is going out and nobody is wishing their teacher, but I have a special message for you in the end of the video, so keep watching the video for to see the special message. So guys, mainly September 5 is celebrated as Teacher Day in India. First, let me tell you why it is celebrated. It is celebrated to honor, and it is celebrated like it is a mark of respect, and we are giving it to S. Radhakrishnan, who was a former second president of India. He was a great scholar and teacher. He was a very calm person and everyone liked him. So after his death, from 1957, his birth anniversary is celebrated as Teacher Day. On this very special occasion, our lovely hardworking teachers are wished. We need to wish them, and their efforts are being recognized. They work for us every day. So we should recognize them not only on Teacher Day, we should recognize them every day. But today is a very special day for all the teachers in this world. So let me give you a brief description about teachers and why they are important for us and what can we learn from them. So basically, teachers are someone who guide us and who teaches us new things. Not only academics, but they teach us how to be an ideal citizen of the country, how to be a good person, and mainly they tell us how to choose a good path in your life, right? A good or bad. So they help you to choose a good path in your life. They help you so much. So next we'll talk about why they are important to us. You may have heard that teachers are our second parents. Parents give life to us and teachers give how to live that. You may have heard this and like this. This is true. You know that parents give birth and they send children to school to learn something, to means how to learn something, to become a good person in life. So they send school because of this. And after all, after sending school, who take care of us? Yes, teachers. So they teach us and they are very much important in this life, because if teachers are not there, then we are not there. Today, any profession you take, IPS officer, pilot, or anything you take, it all comes from a teacher. Remember, you may think that teacher is not important, teacher is waste profession, but remember that all professions come from teacher only. So if you become something in life, then always remember your teachers, because they have helped you to become that. So friends, let me now tell you that what can we learn from teachers. See, usually there are good types of teachers and bad types of teachers. So always we need to learn from a good teacher. Sometimes in your school your teacher may scold you, but never think it that way. Your teacher scolds you because to help you gain it. Means if nobody scolds you, everyone be good with you, then you achieve nothing in life. Someone needs to be hard in your life, then only the fear will come in your body and you make it what you need. So friends, never think that your teachers are your enemies. Like if they scold one time and you're thinking that, oh no, my teacher is very bad, my teacher is very bad. Don't think like that. Teachers do this because they benefited you. What can we learn from teachers? Yes. Now let's come to the main question. We can learn many things, unlimited things from teachers. We can learn how to be good, how to be an ideal citizen of a country, and for the most important thing, we humans do not have. We all are short-tempered. We do not have that much patience. But teachers, we need to learn that teachers are always having patience. Sometimes parents scold them, sometimes teachers scold them, and many things happen to them. But they be patient. So we need to learn that, because we humans are always short-tempered, we get fastly angry. So please learn to be patient and learn to be good, okay? And learn to solve the problem. Let me give an example. In your math class, you ask the math teacher some problem and he did not tell you why. Yes, let me tell you. He explains you, but he do not tell you the answer, because he do not tell the answer because he want you to find the answer, right? Any teacher you take, any good teacher you take, they do not tell the answer, but they mold you in such a shape that you find the answer. It's happening to me at present. I'm studying in Sainik school, and it's the most top school in India. And not like this is Sainik school, oh it is good luxurious life. No, they give us very much hard training. You see, like the teachers, they are very good, but at the same time they mold us, they shape us to serve as a soldier in our country. So every school teacher is a good teacher, no matter how high he is, like headmaster. Everyone is a teacher. Yes. So friends, on this special occasion, I would like to convey my wishes to every teacher in this world, to all my Sainik school teachers, to everyone. And friends, please share this video to the outmost, to the whole world. Just share it. So share it. So friends, are you all ready for a special message? Now I'm gonna tell you that how can you surprise your teacher. First of all, let me tell you this. See, in the lockdown, there are not many sources, but you have the online social media. So what can I do is listen this carefully. First of all, you can basic thing is just you can greet her or him like teacher, happy teacher day. But you can do that, and please send your selfie to them, because now your teachers will be happy when they see the children's faces. So please take a selfie and send to them. They will be very much happy. The second thing I'm going to tell is like you can send a greeting card, or you can send something very special. Like you can send a teacher what he likes the most, so you can do the postal delivery. Friends, here is the special message, and you can do many things, unlimited things you can do for your teachers. Just recognize their effort. So friends, on this special occasion, please convey your teachers, recognize their efforts, and feel them proud of you wherever you go in life, whatever you become in your life, anything you become in your life. Remember your parents and teachers. So guys, I will end this video, and if you are new, then don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget I will be making new videos. I will do gaming, I will have some motivational videos. And friends, I am a small YouTuber. Just comment me down whatever topic you want, any motivational or anything you want. Please comment down me, and I will be ready to answer them anytime, anywhere. And so guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you.